Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Avalon Labs token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Avalon Labs AVL is a financial ecosystem building a Bitcoin native infrastructure, combining leading stable coins and AI powered real world assets RWA tokenization to unlock utility for BTC holders. Bitcoin centric financial hub. It provides a suite of services including BTC backed lending, a Bitcoin packed stablecoin USDA, and yield generating accounts, all designed to let user leverage Bitcoin without selling it. AI and RWA innovation. The project expand into tokenization, real world assets, and AI compute power via a marketplace on BNB chain, introducing a new commercial rights tokenization CRT standard. Community governed token. The AVL token is the ecosystem governance instrument featuring a deflationary model where protocol revenue funds periodic token burns to increase scarcity. Avalon Labs token total supply is 100. Avalon Lab project institution rating is 4.3. Avalon Labs token total supply is 162.25 million and circulating supplies around 161.68 million AVL token. AVL token is listed on Binance Alpha, Bybit, MEXC and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.